Hello everyone, I'm Devang and I'm the team leader of Team Green ETH. Our problem statement is blockchain-based carbon registry and MRV system. So we've built four dashboards, which are as follows. So upon clicking home and upon clicking access platform, we will access our dashboards. So I'll be explaining the project developer dashboard. So this is the dashboard for the project developer who has made the project or the plantation in our case. First, he'll connect the wallet and then he can enter his details connected. Now the project developer can enter his details, project name, ecosystem, description, etc. The project developer can also upload a file which will be saved in IPFS and the hash generated will be stored in a database. On submitting the project, he will get a total overview of his details which he has entered and whether the project is approved or not, or even partially approved. Now we go to the NCCR dashboard, which will receive the first request for the approval. NCCR is the admin, and NCCR will assign the verifiers, which will verify the entire details submitted by the project developer. So the NCCR admin has to enter the addresses, MetaMask wallet addresses of three verifiers. Here we have successfully added all the three IDs of all three verifiers, and we'll go on to approve the project, which will further go to the verifier dashboard for review.
Hello everyone, Aditya here. So now, uh, after NCCR has approved our request, our submission for the plantation, now we will go to the project dashboard and then we will request certain carbon credit tokens to be issued to us. We will switch to the project developer wallet and then on scrolling down, we can request the minting of carbon credits. So the project developer in a real world scenario will have calculated certain carbon emissions based on formulas like gold standard and Vera, which are available in the market, and hence ask for certain carbon credits accordingly. Now, as you can see, the project developer has requested 300 carbon credit tokens, but none of the verifiers have approved the project. Now we will go to the verifier dashboard. As you can see, none of the verifiers have approved. Now in the real world, verifier will have surveyed the entire land, looked at the evidence, and then approved it accordingly. First verifier is approved. As you can see, it's been partially approved, and two more verifiers are remaining. Two out of three verifiers verified it, and hence the CCP was minted successfully. According to our protocol, 90% of the tokens that have been minted will go to the project developer, and 10% of the tokens minted will go to a buffer wallet, which will be given back to the project developer after a certain time period so as to negate any ill doings or wrongdoings or accounting for the saplings dying, etc. etc.
So hello everyone, my name is Omkar Raut and I am the member of the team Green ETH. So I will be explaining you the flow of the company dashboard in our application. So the company dashboard is basically kind of marketplace for the carbon credit tokens on this NCCR website, where the companies can buy the carbon credit tokens from those project developers which have minted their CCT through the verification of the verifiers assigned by the NCCR. So before the company enters into the marketplace of this CCT, it has to first register on our application. So this is a small prototype, so only few details are asked for registering, like name, wallet address, registration number and sector. So after filling the registration details, these details will be submitted for verification by the NCCR. So these details will be sent for NCCR approval. So as you can see, it is written here also awaiting NCCR approval. So we will go to NCCR dashboard for approval of this company to participate in the marketplace. You can see here pending company verifications. So I can click on approve. Now the company is officially approved to participate in the marketplace of the CCT tokens on the NCCR website. So I will go again to the company dashboard. Now as you can see, after the approval by the NCCR, the company can see all the list of available projects by the project developers, and all of these projects have minted their CCT by the verification of the verifiers which were approved by the NCCR only. All these projects are verified. So now the company will create a buy request for the CCT, and that buy request will be sent to the NGO. So here available is 120. I will do a request of 100 CCT. Since this is a small prototype, so we are doing random buy request, but in future we will apply actual UPI integration where the company will do the buy request of the CCT in exchange of the actual INR based on the fixed price of every CCT token. So here as you can see, buy request created, the project developer will review it. Now we have to go back to the project developer dashboard. We will connect to the project developer wallet again, so that you can see the pending buy requests from the companies. After switching to the project developer wallet, you can see pending buy request company Tata Motors project Madhya project amount 100 CCT. So I will click on approve and transfer. The MetaMask pops up. You can see from project developer to company 100 CCT. I will click on confirm. Now the transaction is taking place for CCT transfer. You can see CCT transfer to company Tata Motors. Let's go again to the company dashboard for rechecking it.